That is Amit Shah, the Home Minister there, participating in a rally in Ahmedabad. Remember, this is his own constituency. This is the place that he grew up in, and he has represented several places in Ahmedabad as an MLA for several years. He's an MP from Gandhinagar, which is very close to Ahmedabad. This is his home state, and there you see Harsh Sanghvi, the MOS home, also accompanying him. Gujarat BJP leaders also standing next to him. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, participating in Tiranga Yatra in his home state of Gujarat. Remember, he's on a 2-day visit to Gujarat. It started yesterday. He has already inaugurated several developmental projects today morning and yesterday evening. In fact, yesterday he also spoke about Operation Sindoor, and he said that this was Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister's way of protecting the country and sending out a message to the world and to Pakistan for the terror that it sponsors. Home Minister Amit Shah there, participating in Tiranga Yatra in Ahmedabad. This is a place that he has represented as an MLA for several years. He's an MP from Gandhinagar now. He's also accompanied by MOS home of Gujarat, Harsh Sanghvi, who is to his left, and there are other BJP leaders accompanying him. And this is the Home Minister sending out a clear message, participating in Tiranga Yatra. In fact, yesterday he spoke about Operation Sindoor while speaking in Gandhinagar, and he said that after the surgical strikes that were launched by India, with the Indian Armed Forces crossing the LOC in 2016 after the attack in Uri, and also the attack in Balakot after Pulwama, Operation Sindoor was a message that was sent out to the world. Operation Sindoor was a total success, and it is reflective of the sentiment of the country. That's what the Home Minister said, also recounting what really happened in Pahalgam, and he said that Operation Sindoor was the Prime Minister's message to the entire world that India will not tolerate any act of terror against its citizens. You can see the Home Minister there marching with the tricolour in his hand. This is the Tiranga Yatra, and Tiranga Yatra is being done by several civic bodies and also people's organizations, and it is supported by the BJP. BJP has already held Tiranga Yatras in several parts of the country, and here the Home Minister is participating in Tiranga Yatra in his home state in Ahmedabad, very close to his constituency. And this is where he is also walking, marching, taking out a Padyatra of sorts as part of Tiranga Yatra to send out a message that Operation Sindoor has been a success, but it also marks a present and future new normal for India when it comes to handling any terror operation against Indians.